Good morning, my dear student. Today we will continue your class 11th history, chapter 10, displacing indigenous people. Displacing indigenous people. In this chapter, we are discussing about the problem which was faced by the Britishers. We had read that the native peoples of the America and native peoples of the Canada both were faced so many problems when the outsider reached in their place. We have also discussed about that which type of exploitation done by the outsiders. If you have remember my previous class where I taught you about the topic mutual perception, and in that topic I taught you that what is the meaning of the goods and how can they take it. I mean to say that कि नेटिव पीपुल्स के जो रिसोर्स जो नेचुरल गुड्स थे जिन्हें वो एज ए गिफ्ट देते थे उसका वो किस तरीके से इस्तेमाल करते थे. यूरोपियंस always treated the native peoples as a what? As a group of those who provide them income. वो एक ऐसे ग्रुप के रूप में उन्हें लेते थे जो उन्हें कुछ प्रॉफिट दे, जो उन्हें कुछ इनकम दे. आई हैव आल्सो डिस्कस अबाउट दैट नेटिव पीपुल्स दे वर एडिक्टेड किसके? शराब के और तंबाकू के. उनको एडिक्टेड बनाया गया किसके द्वारा? यूरोपियंस के द्वारा. और फिर इस यूरोपियंस ने उनके इन्हीं एडिक्शंस का फायदा उठा करके उनसे कीमती चीजों को औने पौने दाम पे उनसे खरीद लिया, ले लिया. दीज आर ऑल वी हैव डिस्कस्ड. वी हैव आल्सो डिस्कस कि द लैंडस्केप ऑफ अमेरिका चेंज द drastically the 19th century. The Europeans treated the land differently from the natives. Some of the migrants from the Britain and the France were what? Their younger sons. We have discussed कि किस तरीके से यूरोप और फ्रांस के से आने वाले परिवार के छोटे लड़कों ने इन क्षेत्रों में नेटिव्स लोगों की जमीनों को एक्वायर किया, कैप्चर किया और अधिक प्रॉपर्टी बनाने की लालसा में बहुत सारे ट्रेडर्स भी बड़ी संख्या में आए और इन लोगों ने नेटिव्स के लैंड को फोर्सफुली इनकॉर्ज करने का प्रयास किया, एक्वायर करने का प्रयास किया और किया भी. दीज आर ऑल वी हैव डिस्कस. और फिर वन मोर थिंग्स विच आई हैव डिस्कस विथ यू कि कैसे यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स में the northern state of the USA where the economy did not depend on the plantation land, therefore the slavery, argued for the ending slavery which they condemned as the inhuman practices. In 1861 to 65 there was a war between the state had wanted to retain slavery and those supporting abolition. The later, when slavery was abolished, though it was only in the 20th century that the Africans Americans were able to win the battle for the civil liberties and the segregations between whites and non-whites in the school and the public transport was ended. It means we have also read that slavery system that was highly affected the Indo-American or African Americans peoples. स्लेवरी जो तेजी से फैल रही थी 1861 to 65, ये स्लेवरी सिस्टम को जारी रखने के उसके समाप्ति के लिए जब बड़े पैमाने पे आवाज उठी तो मूल अमेरिकियों ने, नेटिव्स ने अपनी स्वतंत्रता के लिए अपने संघर्ष में उन्होंने काफी प्रयत्न किया. रिवोल्ट कर किया उन्होंने, और रिवोल्ट का प्रतिफल, यद्यपि दे वर सप्रेसरी, दे वर I mean to say that suppressed by the USA आर्मी, बट दैट रिजल्ट हुआ, कुछ रिजल्ट मिला कि उन्हें एक लंबी लड़ाई के बाद 20वीं सेंचुरी के आसपास आते हुए उन्हें लोकल ट्रेनों में और स्कूलों में एडमिशन मिलने लगे. द कैनेडियन गवर्नमेंट हैड प्रॉब्लम which was not to be the solved for the long time and which seemed the more urgent than the question of the natives in 1763. Canada had been won by the British after the war with the France. The France settlers repeatedly demanded the autonomous political status. It was only in 1867 that the problems was solved, the organizing Canada as a what कॉन्फेडरेशन ऑफ द ऑटोनॉमस स्टेट्स. हमने ये भी देखा कि कनाडा जो सरकार थी, कनाडा सरकार के सामने एक समस्या जो उत्पन्न हुई थी कि एक लंबे समय तक वो अपनी इस समस्या का सॉल्व नहीं कर सके थे. इन झगड़ों से नहीं समझ पाए थे कि कैसे इसका समस्या करें, कि जब मूल निवासी जो नेटिव्स थे उनके जो क्वेश्चंस थे, उनके जो हित थे, कैसे करें. 1763 में जो ब्रिटिश लोगों ने फ्रांस के साथ हुई लड़ाई में कनाडा को जीता, तो वहां फ्रांसीसी जो सेटलर्स थे, जो आबादकार पहले से थे, लगातार स्वायत्त राजनीतिक दर्जे की मांग कर रहे थे, और 1867 में कनाडा में ऑटोनॉमस गवर्नमेंट की स्थापना हुई. 1867 दैट दिस प्रॉब्लम वाज सॉल्व बाय द ऑर्गेनाइजिंग कनाडा एज ए कॉन्फेडरेशन ऑफ ऑटोनॉमस स्टेट. These are all we have discussed. So one by one you can understand. First we have discussed about what? The mutual perception. Mutual perception between किसमें? Natives and outsiders. It means European. Second point, we have completed what? Their exploitations. Third, we have read the slavery system. Slavery system and their abolition. And fourth, what? Rise of Canada. As a which type of country? The Confederation of Autonomous State. Confederation of Autonomous State. Here we have discussed the 4 points. I think there is no need to explain again. Today we will discuss the next topic. The topic is what? The native peoples lost their land. Today we will discuss this topic. That is the very important topic. In this topic, we will try to understand that how the native people displaced by the outsiders. In this topic, we also read कि किस तरीके से फेक डॉक्यूमेंट्स तैयार करके नेटिव पीपल्स को उनकी जगह से हटा दिया गया, रिप्लेस कर दिया गया. We will see. Okay, let us come page number 221. In the USA, as the settlements expanded, the natives were what? Induced or forced to move In the USA, as settlement expanded, the natives were induced or forced to move. After singing the treaties selling their land, the price paid were very low, and there were instances when the Americans, a term used to mean to Europeans people of the USA, cheated them by taking more land or paying less than what they promised. This is the strange matter with the native peoples. Native peoples, they were cheated by the Europeans. Their lands that was purchased by the Europeans, what? On very less amount, बहुत कम कीमत में. जैसे जैसे यूएसए में क्या हुआ, जैसे जैसे यूएसए में जो ये छोटे छोटे जो बस्तियां सेटलर्स का एक्सपेंशन हुआ, जो बस्तियां धीरे धीरे बसने लगी, उनका विस्तार हुआ, तो जो जमीन के बिक्री थे या जमीन के बिक्री से संबंधित जो समझौते थे, उनको कराने के लिए अब जो नेटिव्स थे उनको डिस्प्लेस करना शुरू हो गया. नेटिव्स को वहां से अपनी प्लेस से हटाना शुरू किया गया, और फिर इसके लिए उन्हें कई तरीके से डिस्प्लेस किया जा रहा था. लाइक क्या, उनको उनकी जमीनों के लिए कम कीमत दी गई, या उनको कभी कभी उनकी जमीनों के लिए कम कीमत के साथ साथ उन्हें फोर्सली उनको वहां से हटा दिया गया. और जो ये जो अमेरिकन थे, इसमें जो यूएसए में रहने वाले यूरोपीय लोगों के लिए एक वर्ड यूज किया गया है. विच वर्ड? कि वहां पे जो वो कहता है कि एक उदाहरण के रूप में मिलते हैं कि जो वहां पे जो नेटिव्स थे, वो जो पुराने यूरोपियन थे जो वहां बसे थे, उन लोगों के लिए उनको क्या, जो नेटिव्स थे उनको धोखे में रख के उनकी जमीन ले ली जाती थी और उसके बदले उनको बहुत ही कम पैसे दिए जाते थे, या उनको वादा खिलाफी उनसे कहते थे, लेस देन प्रॉमिस्ड. इट मीन्स व्हाट? द यूएसए चीटेड देम बाय टेकिंग मोर लैंड or paying less than promised. Even high officials saw nothing wrong in the depriving in the what native peoples of their land. How strange that the officials, they never take that activities as a illegal. वो उन्हें इस जो चीजें हो रही थी उसको इलीगल के रूप में नहीं देखते थे. जो ऑफिशियल्स थे, जिनको अथॉरिटी थी कि वे चेक करें कि क्या उनके साथ कोई इनजस्टिस तो नहीं हो रही, वो लोग अपना मुंह बंद करके चुपचाप शांति से इन चीजों को लीगली उनके जो आउटसाइडर्स थे उनके कामों को, उनके एक्टिविटीज को लीगल मान लेते थे. दैट इज अ वेरी क्लियर. इवन द हाई ऑफिशियल्स सा नथिंग रॉन्ग इन द डिप्राइविंग द नेटिव पीपुल्स ऑफ देयर लैंड्स. दिस सीन बाय द एपिसोड इन जॉर्जिया state in the USA, officials had argued that the Cherokee tribes was what? Governed by the state law, but could not enjoy the right of citizens. How strange. A very finest example front of you, that when you will read about the Cherokee, that was the tribal people, that was the native peoples of America, even they followed the rules and regulations of the state, but state what? State claimed that no, no doubt you are follow the rules and regulations of the state, but we cannot give you the citizens' right. How strange. First, they try to impose on the tribal people the customs, the activities, the practices of the modern society, and when they change himself as a modern society, I mean to the like Cherokee tribes, they were not have right to enjoy the citizen right of the state. How strange. This was despite that fact that all of the native peoples, the Cherokee were the ones who had made the most effort to learn English and to understand the American way of life. Even so, they were not allowed the right of citizens. Cherokee, they were first tribal peoples. They made them as like Americans. They learn English and to understand the American way of life. and thereafter they have no right of the citizens in their states. That is the very strange matter. Even so, they were not allowed the right of the citizens. They uses the American language, they uses the lifestyles of the Europeans, all things. But even they were tribals, even they were native peoples of particular land, so that's why they have no right to enjoy the life. In 1832, the important judgment was announced by the US Chief Justice John Marshall. US Chief Justice who? John Marshall. It means that is the very important things which I am going to discuss with you. Here you have what? You have observed that the statement of the Chief Justice of the USA, John Marshall, John Marshall, he was the what? The US Chief Justice in 1832. They give a judgment in the favor of the Cherokee, I mean to say the tribal peoples. In 1832, an important judgment was announced by them. John Marshall, according to John Marshall, that the Cherokee were a distinct community occupying its own territory in which the law of Georgia had no force, and that they had sovereignty in the certain matters. That judgment is very important, which was given by the John Marshall. John Marshall, who was Chief Justice of America, who given the judgment according to judgment that Cherokee, that is the distinct community, the Cherokee, that is the what? The specific community, distinct community occupying its own territory in which the law of Georgia, the law of state, had no force, and that they had no sovereignty in the certain matters. That decision was in favor of the Cherokee. But just against, what happened? The US President, who, Andrew Jackson, had a what? Reputations of the, they were famous, they were reputed, their reputations for fighting against economy and politically privilege. I mean to say that कि जो यूएस प्रेसिडेंट थे जिनका नाम क्या था? एंड्रयू जैक्सन. एंड्रयू जैक्सन यूएस प्रेसिडेंट and the US Chief Justice. Here, why I am mentioning their name? Because the one judgment given by the US Chief Justice John Marshall in 1832, according to that judgment, that the Cherokee, that was the distinct tribal community, the state rules not in force in their regions, in the territory of the tribal peoples area. They had sovereignty in the certain matters, but their decision, what? क्या कर दिए गए? That decision was banned by US President. चीफ जस्टिस ऑफ अमेरिका के न्याय को, आदेश को, न्यायिक आदेश को अमेरिका के राष्ट्रपति ने पलट दिया. अमेरिका के राष्ट्रपति जो खुद इस रूप में जाने जाते थे कि वो आर्थिक रूप से दबे कुचले लोगों के लिए और राजनीतिक रूप से दबे कुचले लोगों के लिए हमेशा युद्ध किए, लड़ाई लड़े, उनकी बातों के लिए हमेशा आगे बढ़ चढ़ के हिस्सा लिए, उनके लिए, उनकी बातों के लिए, उनके अधिकारों के लिए एक लंबी लड़ाई लड़े. ऐसे एंड्रयू जैक्सन जॉन मार्शल के उस डिसीजन को, उस स्टेटमेंट को, उस जुडिशियल जो ऑर्डर थे उसको उन्होंने पलट दिया. उन्होंने क्या कहा? देखिए क्या कहते हैं. वो कहते हैं कि यूएस प्रेसिडेंट एंड्रयू जैक्सन हैड रेपुटेशंस फॉर द फाइटिंग अगेंस्ट इकोनॉमी एंड पॉलिटिकल प्रिविलेजेस, बट व्हेन इट केम टू द इंडियंस he was different person. He refused to honor the chief justice judgment. उन्होंने इनकार कर दिया चीफ जस्टिस के जजमेंट को मानने से. And ordered the US Army to evict the Cherokee from their own lands and drive them to the great American desert. How strange. The persons who reputed to fighting those peoples who are exploited on the basis of economy, on the basis of the political causes, that persons given order that Cherokees, they were kicked out. क्या करें? Forcefully they were thrown. उसने ऑर्डर पास किया. He passed ऑर्डर कि सिरोकियों को उनके क्षेत्र से बाहर निकाल दी जाए. इसके लिए उसने एक आर्मी लगा दी, आर्मी भेज दिया. और उसने जॉन मार्शल के जो डिसीजन थे उसको मानने से पूरी तरीके से इनकार कर दिया. दिस इज द क्या दोहरा चरित्र. इट मीन्स डुअल कैरेक्टरिस्टिक ऑफ द एंड्रयू जैक्सन. हियर वी हैव सीन. एक तरफ तो दिख रहे थे कि हम इनके लिए काम करते हैं, और दूसरी तरफ जब सिरोकियों की बात आती है, ट्राइबल्स पीपल की जो आर्थिक रूप से कमजोर हैं, जो राजनीतिक रूप से उनके पास अधिकार नहीं है, उनके जब अधिकारों की बात आती है, इट मीन्स इंडियंस, रेड इंडियंस की बात आती है, तो एंड्रयू जैक्सन पूरी तरीके से अपनी बात से पलट जाते हैं और कहते हैं कि नहीं, इनको इनके क्षेत्र से बाहर निकालो. इसके लिए वो ब्रिटिश आर्मी को भेज देते हैं. व्हाट हैपेंड व्हेन they ordered the US Army to evict the Cherokee from their land? What happened? Of the 15,000 people thus forced to go, over a quarter died along the trails of tears. 15,000 से अधिक संख्या में ये ट्राइबल्स अपने क्षेत्रों से बाहर निकाले गए. और उनकी कंडीशंस कैसी हो गई? वो ठीक उस कंडीशंस में आ गए जिसमें बड़ी संख्या में ये अपने प्लेस को जब ये छोड़ के दूसरी जगह जा रहे थे, तो उस रास्ते में हजारों हजार मृत्यु को प्राप्त हुए, मर गए. इसीलिए एक वर्ड का इस्तेमाल किया गया है. दैट वर्ड इज ट्रायल्स ऑफ टेरर. हियर इट इज वेरी क्लियर दैट व्हेन द एंड्रयू जैक्सन्स ordered the US Army to kick out the native peoples from their native lands, the 15,000 people are thus forced to go over what? Forced to go over quarter died along the trails of terror. क्वार्टर मतलब चौथाई लोग रास्ते में ही मर गए, और ऐसे लोग अपने को सिविलाइज्ड कह रहे थे. हाउ स्ट्रेंज. Those who took the land occupied by the tribes justified it by saying that native did not deserve to occupying land which they did not use. The natives, I mean to say that those who took the land occupied by the tribes justified it by saying the natives did not deserve to occupy land which they did not use to maximum. They went to criticize them for the being lazy, since they did not use their craft skills to produce goods for the market, for not being interested in learning English or bearing the correctly, which meant like the Europeans. They deserve to die out, they argued. The priors were cleared the farmland, and wild bison killed off the primitive man, while disappear with the primitive animals, wrote a visiting Frenchman. It is a very strange matter. I mean to say that here one more question arises by authors, and what cleared explained the bad thinkings, polluted thinkings of the outsiders, Europeans. What they claimed? They claimed those who took the land occupied the tribals. वो लोग जो ट्राइबल्स की जमीन को ऑक्युपाइड कर लेते थे, वो क्या तर्क देते हैं? They justified their work, that what they did, that was very the clear work. I mean to say that very बहुत अच्छा काम किया वो लोगों ने. उन लोगों ने इनको हटाकर इसलिए अच्छा काम किया क्योंकि यहाँ पे रहने वाले जो लोग हैं वो लोग बहुत ही आलसी हैं. वो लोग जिनकी अंग्रेजी नहीं है ठीक आती, उनको अंग्रेजी नहीं आती है. वो लोग जो यूरोपियंस की तरह कपड़े नहीं पहनते हैं. वो लोग जो क्या करें कि मार्केट के लिए उत्पादन नहीं करते. ऐसे लोगों को ऐसे लोगों से जमीन को ले लेना एकदम सही है, इसमें कोई गलत काम नहीं है, और ऐसे लोगों को मर जाना ही सही है, उनको जीने का अवसर भी नहीं है। इसीलिए एक फ्रेंचमैन जो उस क्षेत्र को विजिट करते हुए कहता है कि इस क्षेत्र से, नेटिव लैंड से जिस तरीके से बायसन खत्म हो गए, जंगली भैंसे खत्म हो गए, वैसे ही यहाँ पे जो नेटिव थे, जो यहाँ पे स्थानीय लोग थे, वो लोग भी समाप्त हो रहे हैं। What I am clear here, I am saying with you that what I am teaching, I am try to understand you that the conditions of the natives and what they claimed outsiders who occupied the land of the native peoples. Who occupied the native people's land? They claimed that native peoples, what we did with them, that is justified. Why that was justified? Because they were totally lazy person. Because they were not aware of the European lifestyle. They have no knowledge of English speaking. They have not wore cloth as like Europeans, and they were not taking interest to grow the commercial crop in their farming land for the market purpose. So that's why what happened with them, that total legal, सभी जो चीजें हो रही वो सब लीगल है, सही है। दैट इज द वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग्स विच यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड। अनर्गल तरीके से इन प्रकारेण जो यूरोपियंस थे वो इस बात को प्रूव करने का प्रयास कर रहे थे कि वो जो कर रहे हैं वो सही है, बाकी जो चीजें वो गलत नहीं। मीनवाइल द नेटिव्स वर पनिश्ड, दे वर पुश्ड द वेस्टवर्ड, गिवन लैंड एल्सवेयर, दे आर इन द व्हाट perpetuity. The often moved again if any minerals, lead or gold or oil was found on their lands. Many tribals were the forced to share the land original occupied by the tribals, thus leading to quarrels between them. They logged off all small area called reservation, which often was land which they had to no earlier connections. They did not give without a fight. That US Army crushed a series of rebellions from 1865 to 1819, and in the Canada there were armed revolts by the Métis, the people of the native European descendant, between 1869 and 1885, but after that they gave up. And that is a very important thing. Here we are going to read about what is the meaning of reservation. Reservation means the particular area where the native peoples settled when they kicked out from their native lands. जब native land से उनको अपने मूल स्थान से हटा करके उनके दूर दराज की किसी जगह पे उनको रखा जाता था, तो इस एरिया को रिजर्वेशन कहा जाता था। रिजर्वेशन ऐसे क्षेत्र थे जिनसे कभी दूर दूर तक इस नेटिव पीपुल्स का कभी कोई वास्ता नहीं रहा हो। एक अननोन प्लेस थी उनके लिए जहां इनको अपनी लाइफ को जीना पड़ता था। इट मीन्स मीनवाइल द नेटिव्स वर पुश्ड द वेस्टवर्ड, गिवन द लैंड एल्सवेयर, द देयर्स इन द perpetuity, but often moved again if any minerals, lead or gold or oil was found on their lands. Many tribes were forced to share the land originally occupied by one tribes, thus leading to the quarrels between them. The area locked off, a small area called reservation. They were locked off in a small area. That is the very important thing. जब कभी when the Britishers they felt that the native people's land that has full of the natural resource like lead, like gold, like iron ore type minerals, they were they were forcefully क्या किए थे? Kicked out. They were forcefully kicked out from their native lands. The tribes, I mean to say that land that were occupied by the Europeans. वो जो बाहर से लोग आए थे वो लोग उस जमीन को ऑक्युपाइड कर रहे थे, एंड दस लीडिंग टू क्वारल्स बिटवीन देम, और ये झगड़े का महत्वपूर्ण कारण था। दे वर लॉक्ड ऑफ, इट मीन द नेटिव पीपुल्स लॉक्ड ऑफ इन ए स्मॉल एरिया दैट कॉल्ड रिजर्वेशन, विच ऑफन वाज लैंड विथ विच दे हैड नो अर्लियर connection. They did not give in without fight. It does never mean that they easily settled himself in the reservation area. Okay, they various time they became rebellion against that rule. But what happened? They were they were brutally suppressed. Great repressions happened during that time with them. उनके साथ बड़ी बर्बरता से उनको उनके चीज़ों को दबा दी गई. If you read the history of 1865 to 1819, the US Army crushed a series of the rebellion from 1865 to 1819. And in Canada, the Métis means the native peoples, between 1869 to 1895. But after they were gave up, और finally वो उनके सारे चीज़ें दबा दी गई, ख़त्म कर दी गई. What we have seen here, having read this paragraph, having read this topic, what we understand? We can easily understand that the native peoples, they were exploited. They have no right of their native lands during that time. If the Europeans, if the outsiders, if they were known that the native lands has some chances, I mean to say that वहाँ पे जो खाद्यान्न थी, इट मीन्स जो लोहे की खान थी, सोने की खान थी, या किसी मिनरल्स के प्राप्त होने की सूचना उनको मिलती थी, तुरंत ही वो उस क्षेत्र को खरीदने या उन क्षेत्रों को उनसे लेने का पूरा प्रयास करते थे. इन द स्टार्टिंग ऑफ दिस टॉपिक आई हैव एक्सप्लेन्ड दैट बाय विच वे द नेटिव पीपुल्स लैंड ऑक्युपाइड बाय द यूरोपियंस, ऑन विच अमाउंट्स, विच प्राइस. नो डाउट इट वॉज वेरी लेस प्राइस. And if they denied to sell their property, they were brutally beaten by them, or their land was captured by them forcefully. And they the native peoples, they locked off in a small area, and that small area is called reservation, which often was land that which they had no earlier connections. Reservations, natives, no earlier connections of the reservation. They were locked off particular that areas. That is the very strange matter. One more things which I discuss with you, that कि वो आसानी से इस अपने को दूसरी जगह पे सेट करने को तैयार नहीं हुए. एक बड़ी संख्या में रिवोल्ट हुए, बड़ी संख्या में विवाद हुए, और उसके प्रतिफल के रूप में ये लोग यहाँ पे सेटल किए गए. Today we have discussed about the conditions of the natives. Today we will read about the conditions of the Cherokees. At any rate, at any cost, the Europeans or the imperial rulers, they never ready to give them rights as citizens of the states. They always exploited them. They treated them like a animal, like a insects. कीड़े मकोड़ों की तरह उनके साथ बिहेव करते थे. That is very strange matter with them. So आज के लिए इतना ही. In next video, I will discuss the topic, the gold rush and the growth of industry. Goodbye and take care.